Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer, while it feels like everyone else is just trying to keep up? For a long time, we've pointed the finger at one thing: greed. We picture billionaires swimming in pools of money, hoarding wealth just for the sake of it. But what if I told you the real story is a bit different? What if the main culprit isn't a human emotion, but something much more efficient and relentless? I'm talking about automation. Think about it. In the past, to make a lot of money, you needed a lot of people. You'd hire a huge workforce, manage them, and your success was tied to how well you could lead that army of employees. But today, the game has completely changed. The new titans of industry aren't building human armies. They're building armies of code, algorithms, and robots. These automated systems work 24/7. They don't take vacations, they don't ask for raises, and they can perform tasks at a scale and speed that is simply impossible for humans. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine an online store. 20 years ago, the owner would need staff to handle orders, manage inventory, and deal with customer service. Today, one person can run a massive e-commerce empire from their laptop. An automated system takes the order. Another one tells the warehouse what to ship, and a chatbot handles customer questions. This single business owner can now serve millions of customers, something that would have required thousands of employees in the past. The profits that would have been spread across all those salaries now flow to just one person or a very small team who owns the system. This is happening in every industry. High-frequency trading firms use algorithms to make millions of trades in a fraction of a second. Social media giants use code to manage billions of users with a relatively small number of engineers. This isn't necessarily about being greedy. It's about being incredibly efficient. The system is designed to maximize output with minimal input. And that's the very definition of automation. The wealth isn't being hoarded maliciously. It's being generated by systems that operate on a scale we've never seen before. The wealth gap isn't just a gap between people. It's a gap between those who own the automated systems and those who don't. So, does this mean we're all doomed to fall behind? Absolutely not. This new reality also presents an incredible opportunity. The same tools the billionaires are using are, for the first time in history, available to almost everyone. You don't need a factory or a huge loan to get started. You just need a laptop and an internet connection. The secret is to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a system builder. Instead of trading your time for money, you need to build or invest in systems that make money for you. What does that look like for the average person? It could be starting an online business that uses automated marketing tools. It could be creating digital products like an ebook or an online course that you build once and sell thousands of times with no extra effort. It could be learning to code to build your own apps or software, or it could be as simple as setting up automated investments, like dollar cost averaging into index funds, which is your own personal money-growing machine that works for you even while you sleep. The key is to leverage technology to multiply your efforts. You can't outwork a robot, but you can own the robot. Start small, learn one new skill. Maybe it's how to build a simple website, how to use an email marketing service, or how to set up an automated investment plan. Each automated system you build, no matter how small, is a step towards competing in this new economy. It's your own little soldier in your army of automation, working to close the gap for you. The world is changing fast, but don't be discouraged. The old path of just working a 9-to-5 is becoming less secure. The new path is about building your own systems. It's a mindset shift from being a cog in someone else's machine to being the architect of your own. So the next time you hear about the widening wealth gap, don't just think of greed. Think of automation. And then ask yourself, what system am I going to build today? Thanks for watching. If this video shifted your perspective, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you navigate the new economy. See you in the next one.